sector, 400, a little bit over 400 plus na kami.
Mm.
But to think that not everybody is necessarily community-based.
Yeah.
So they are given a certain amount of students, let's say for example, the ones from DepEd, to take care of. Lalo
Yeah.
na yung mga the ones from the LGU. Ilan tao sa isang barangay.
Oo.
So it's really near to impossible to say that they are getting yung sapat na dental care that they need. So it's unfortunate, but there is a lack of dental professionals that are able to go out into the community to give what they deserve. And
Actually,
of course, in the communities like that, they cannot afford to go to yung mga private facilities, so private clinics. So we cannot expect them to be underserved.
Parang naisip ko rin, Doc, kasi parang, I think, ang tagal na rin kasi issues niyan di ba? Yung parang, yung mga nasa bundok, yung mga nasa rural areas, yung mga nahihirapan yung mga dentista pumunta doon, which is very understandable, di ba? Kasi, especially yung mga private dentist na kailangan din kumita, di ba? Kailangan sa clinic, mag-run ng sariling clinic. Mahirap na i-give up talaga yung
It's
time all the
unfortunate, but
time.
it's true. Yes.
Yeah, di ba yung i-give up mo yung time mo, tapos pupunta
Correct.
ka
We
doon.
have to.
So, what if, Doc, turuan silang pumunta sa dentist? Pwede ba yon? Bumaba. Sila naman yung bumaba. Kasi parang, to be honest, ang tagal
Actually,
ng problem yan. Sa totoo lang.
Actually, the biggest problem, Doc, is how do they get to those dentists?
Yun din.
They have a hard time enough to be able to eat 3 times a day, let alone find a way for them to commute or make it down the hill just to see a dentist. Yun ang mahirap na ano. It's given their economic instability, let's say, to their resources, they will pick food over using their money to commute. Yes. Priority is to eat. Priority is to be able to live. Yun. And it's the one obstacle that there has not been, from my knowledge, any clear solution yet.
Yes, and especially there is everything that is happening now, parang mas lalo
pa ngayon,
mas lalo pa ngayon,
Yes.
'di ba? So again, sana nga marating nung ating mga gustong marating yung awareness na ibinibigay natin na kahit nga hindi makababa. So talaga yung mga dentista, Doc Mia, yung effort no, 'di ba, Doc Charlene, na nandun yung passion to kahit it's a struggle, 'di ba, from your own pocket, giving your time and effort. Talagang kayo na lang yung aakyat at lalapit sa mga community in order
Actually,
for...
Go ahead, actually, what I always say when I give a speech is that as a dentist, we're very lucky to be in the place that we're at right now in our lives. Kumbaga, we're very lucky to have been born in the families that we have been born in, and be very fortunate to have advanced training and education to become dentists, become professionals. Sabi ko, we need to do our part to give back to those that were not as fortunate. Kasi it's true, we could have been them. Nagkataon lang. We were born in the state that we're born in now, and very fortunate to be and have the luxuries that we have. But what if we were them? Yung ano ko talaga is to give back, kasi one day, who knows, those people may have the passion and the drive to become more than what they are right now. Tapos sila din ang magbabalik yung blessings na binigay natin. Ganun talaga yung pag-iisip ko sa buhay What if we were them? Diba? How would you want to be treated? How would you want to be given the opportunity to have a better life? Diba? You can't do that kapag limited, even with the oral cavity, diba? Well, nowadays, they always check kahit trabaho. Hold ba yung yung smile mo, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng bungi-bungi na kukunin as kahit mag-work sa isang department store. Diba? It plays a big role in someone's future to have a beautiful smile or to have complete dentition.
Yeah, and that's a good parang point ngayon sa ating discussion, no, na parang oral health is something that is kumbaga edge mo for your future, kasi talagang may mga companies at kahit simpleng trabaho yan, talagang tinitingnan okay ba yung smile mo, and there are some talaga that can't land the job dahil hindi kompleto ang kanilang mga ngipin. Ayan ha.
So, and in fact na 'di ba, bago magkaroon ng mga mga trabaho ang mga tao, even yung mga seaman, di ba? May oral check-up, may dental check-up lagi. So, kasama talaga ang oral health dyan.
Ayan. Itutuloy po natin itong ating discussion. Kasama po natin ang president po ng Angeles City Dental Chapter dyan sa Angeles, Pampanga. Kasama natin si Doc Sherlyn Farin. Magbabalik po kami pagkatapos lamang po ng ilang paalala.
Ang galing-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste ko, pritong ulam na masebo, plato ng kaldero, tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal ang sebo, tanggal ang bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic, number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste. ACS.
Jiggy Manikad po. Bilang isang broadcaster, mahalaga sa akin ang tamang impormasyon. Sa lahat ng bagay, kahit sa food supplement, mapanuri ako. Kaya dito ako sa subok ng MX3 capsule. Ito'y may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Para sa akin, sigurado ako sa MX3 capsule. Dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Amoy forever. Amoy LQ.
Amoy New Calab Berry Blooms. Amoy kalat, amoy good vibes.
Sa lahat ng bagay, simula pa lang, siguraduhing max protection na. Kasi pag kulang ang proteksyon, baka madaling masira. Sa ngipin, dapat may max protection din. Max Alaga ng Unique Toothpaste. With Max Protect Formula. Help stop cavities before they start, while keeping breath fresh. Try Unique Maximum Fluoride Protection. Para Max Alaga, Max Protektado.
ACS.
Amoy forever. Amoy LQ.
Amoy New Calab Berry Blooms. Amoy kalat, amoy good vibes. May nagbago.
May arte? May budget? Akala nyo lang yon.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya. May glow up with a white rose papaya.
White Rose Papaya. May puti power times 2 kasi may papaya at niacinamide. May shea butter and tea tree oil pa. Kutis sulit ang glow
May
up.
glow up with a white rose papaya.
White Rose Papaya. Kutis sulit ang glow up.
ACS.
Wow, ang saya. Isang barangay na labada, puro mancha pa. Goodbye, pahinga.
Mommy, isang laba lang yan sa Pride Bar Blue. May powerful stain-away enzymes na malupit sa dumit mansya.
At di masakit sa kamay.
Isang laba lang yan.
Hello, pahinga.
Hello, Pride Bar Blue. ACS.
Tinesting, sinuri, siniyasan. Ang resulta, super effective ang Shield sa pagpatay ng bakterya at virus. Shield Antibacterial Soap. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association. At si Mami,
Tiwala ako sa Shield.
Shield Antibacterial Soap. Napatunayang mabisa. Ang mga nurse, tiwala.
ACS.
Amoy forever. Amoy LQ.
Amoy New Calab Berry Blooms. Amoy kalat, amoy good vibes.
Nagbabalik ang mga friendly medical broadcasters. Ang galing mo, Doc!
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Unique Maximum Toothpaste, Maximum Fluoride para sa maximum protection at ng Philippine Dental Association.
Nagbabalik po ang ating programa, ang galing mo Doc, katid sa atin ng ACS Unique Toothpaste. And Doc Mia, kasama pa rin natin si Doc Charlene, no? At nakakaano nga Doc, yung mga, sabi, iba talaga din yung passion yung mga dentista, no? Lalo na yung mga presidente, yung mga miyembro ng mga PDA natin, dental chapters nationwide. Kasi nakikita mo talaga na mas pinipili na tumulong. Syempre, sabi mo nga, parang kita na nila yun pag nag-clinic sila, 'di ba? Pero magi-giveaway. So, Doc Charlene, kamusta yung dental practice nyo naman dyan, Doc? As a private practitioner sa Angeles City, marami ba ang talagang mga pasyente nyo dyan? At ano na po mga service ang mga nire-request nila?
Actually, to be honest, dito sa Angeles City, sa area ko, it's very, very lucrative. More in fact because we have a lot of balikbayans and foreigners that live in the area. So mga expats ang majority ng mga area namin. So we have a lot of patients that are not just local but also from abroad. So lucrative siya.
So parang sa dental tourism.
Yes. Kasali ako dun sa dental tourism na yan because we know for a fact that we can give the same quality of service as those that are practicing abroad at a lesser cost. Alam natin lahat yun. So, a lot of yung mga balikbayans and foreigners look for the services that they can get from the States dito sa Pinas. And we are able to provide for them, especially in our area, since my clinic alone is about 15-20 minutes away from the international airport. So, I have had patients who fly in and come directly to the clinic. So, ganun ka ganda ang practice dito naman sa Angeles City.
Nakikita ko nga yung clinic ni Doc, ang ganda eh.
Ay,
Yes.
in the dental spa yung sa akin kasi I wanted to make it comfortable for the patient. So, pati spa kasama.
Ayan. Doc Mia, na-mention mo yung dental tourism. At sa mga hindi alam, Doc, bakit naikabit ang tourism na sa dentistry?
Okay.
Yeah, because sabi nga ni Doc kanina, reality lang naman na at a lesser cost, same quality na makukuha nyo from abroad. Yun ang ano. Kaya madaming, kunyari, yung mga, especially balikbayans, no? Yung mga balikbayans na encounter ko naman talaga lagi, ito yung sasabihin nila, sa babayaran nila sa ibang bansa, sa kailangan nila sa ngipin nila, ang nagawa nila sa Pilipinas ay yung dental needs nila. Pagbakasyon pa, nakapag-teach pa. So, yun. May mga ganun talaga. Kaya talagang may dental tourism siya.
Package na, Doc, no?
Package. Nakapag-enjoy ka na, maganda pang ngipin mo. Ganyan.
Dapat isama yan sa tourism campaign ng DOT at saka ng TPB. Yung mga dentista natin ang model. Dapat, Doc, di ba?
Yes.
Magandang magandang tourism campaign yan, no? And as well as, Doc, you're promoting oral health awareness. Parang DOT and DOH partnership ito no? Dapat ganun Pero Doc, ayun nga sabi natin, di ba, maraming mga nangangailangan. So, Doc Charlene, as a president dyan sa Pampanga, ano-ano yung mga projects mo, Doc, at mga ginagawa nyo to help your community?
Okay. Actually, the current project that we're doing right now before my term ends is we had asked our chapter members if anybody would like to donate their dental chair to the public schools. So as of now, we have a total of 10 that are being donated.
Wow.
So we're building dental clinics. We're building dental clinics in iba't ibang parts, iba-ibang public schools, but also not just public schools, but senior citizen / PWD homes, as well as the city jail. So anywhere where they need attention for their oral health, that's where we are donating to. So because the DepEd cannot perform any advanced services for the children unless there's a dental chair, that was my forefront, is to give those schools, with especially the ones that are highly populated, a dental chair so they can be given more attention. So yun yung main goal ko this presidency ko.
Kasi mas ano yan, mas long-term ang
Yes.
long-term
Sustainability, Doc.
Sustainability,
Yes.
so sustainable
Correct.
actually.
Yes, I
And
did not
medyo
want to
bonggang
do
yung
a short term. Yes, I was looking into the future beyond my presidency.
Yeah, that's
So
nice.
for years to come. Yes po, Doc.
Tsaka Doc Mia, medyo bongga ka talaga yun kasi mahal ang dental chair, diba?
Mahal yan. Saka sa totoo lang, no? Kasi like for example, as a dentist ako, nung nagpalit ako ng chair 3 years ago, hindi ko rin alam gagawin ko dun sa chair ko.
Yes,
I was
correct.
looking, at the time, I was looking for somebody na, yun nga, a school or even a church na kukunin yung chair ko. Pero,
Because
yun, so
in all
mahirap
honesty, the
dentist
chairs are
disposable.
still and the chairs are still in good
Oh,
working
yes,
condition.
oo.
It's not that we just upgraded because of what we are looking for our
Yeah,
own practice.
nag-upgrade
Pero they're in
na.
working condition. And Doc Mia, totoo, di ba? Minsan yung mga luma, yung mga Japan, yung mga they're heavy, they're bulky, but they are the most matibay.
Yes,
Mas
oo.
matibay pa yung mga luma. Kaya yung ano namin is to give something that will serve its purpose for years to come.
Yes, kaya naman talaga. Oo.
Yes, yes.
Maintenance
So-
lang, kailangan.
So yung ibang schools, they have been built ng dental clinic. Yung iba, we've renovated. Yung iba, may certain room that can be allocated for the dental clinic. So we're putting up dental clinics wherever it's needed. Ganun ang forefront namin. Yes po.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's a
Yes,
new
and then
one.
we have a couple schools that were dental clinic, medical dental clinic / e-learning center din. So meron din na put up na ganon.
Bakit?
Lucrative nga ang practice.
Doc Charlene, bakit naman mga schools ang napili mo? And then you mentioned PWD and senior citizens.
Yes.
Homes,
Pati
bakit ito
jail,
yung-
pati city
pati
jail,
city
no?
jail. Bakit ito yung
Yes.
mga target group of people na gusto mong tulungan and give awareness when it comes to oral health?
First of all, what I did was I asked around. I needed to make sure that the schools that were being provided the dental chair were the most needy in the community. So we have areas that are given more fundings than those that have less funding. So I look into who is the most deserving. That was number one. The other community as well is, for example, the city jail. They don't have any dental unit there where the local government unit na dentist can perform services for them. So that was a request. The other one being the senior citizens and PWD senior citizen home for the aged. Balelugod is the name for senior citizens. It's also up and coming to be for a home for PWD as well. And we all know how difficult it is for senior citizens to get around, correct? So they're not as mobile as we would need them to be, nor is it accessible for them to be transported because of their situation. Also the same with PWD. So it made more sense for us to bring what we can to them instead of trying to get them to us. That way we can service these communities, whether they be students or those obviously in jail cannot come out to private practices, or even the senior citizens or PWD. We make it so that we are the ones to go to them instead of them to access a way to get to us.
Ayan ha. So, magandang proyekto talaga. Sustainable. Yun nga yung pinaka diba? And can really, sabi nga help a lot, diba? And encourage children, diba? Na talagang to take care of their oral health. Babalikan po natin itong ating discussion tungkol po sa oral health awareness na ginagawa dyan ng Angeles City Dental Chapter sa Pampanga. Kasama po si Dr. Charlene Farin. Magbabalik po ang ating programa pagkatapos lamang po ng ilang paalala.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulog ang damit.
Charm Fab Con, bangong kumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulog sa bango ng Charm.
Kaya gamit ko, Charm Fab Con with Bloom Fresh technology. Kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries. Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Charm Fab Con.
Sa puso ng kalikasan, natatangi ang prutas ng